Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. For new viewers, welcome to my channel and thanks for choosing to click on this video. In today's video, I'm turning leftover chips into Chipsi Mayai or Zege, a popular Tanzanian street food. Please find the ingredients in the description box and let's get straight into the process. I crack some eggs into a bowl and whisk in cumin powder, salt and black pepper. Add in the vegetables and set it aside ready to cook. I heat some oil and add the chips. Once heated for about 30 seconds, I spread them evenly onto the pan. I pour the eggs and veggie mix into the pan and reduce the heat. I tilt the pan to the side to evenly spread the egg mixture. I cook this for a minute or two until the top is just set. I place a lid on top of the pan, flip the pan over to turn the omelet onto the lid and slide it back into the pan. If you're using a smaller pan, you can use a plate to flip the omelet. The cooked side is now on top and the side with the chips is on the bottom. I cook this for another minute before taking it off the heat and place it on a flat plate. This can be served with sauce or kachumbari, a tomato and onion salsa. For simple recipes, subscribe and hit the notification bell to ensure that you're alerted whenever I post a new recipe. Please like, comment and share. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video.